At the moment, I'm pretty sure that most people think I'm a faithful.
Did you see that? It's him! It's him!
God, I was knackered after that task. I was so out of breath.
Oh wait, I've done it again. Rewind. Did you see that? That smirk right there. She's the secret traitor.
Those croissants at breakfast were lovely.
Oh, no, wait a minute. No, it's Amanda. It is, obviously.
I mean, I barely slept last night.
I knew it. It's Maz.
It can't be Maz.
Well, you clearly weren't listening then, because it went, guilty.